Hi there, from me, Lance Dagnin again at Harcourt's Done, Brackenfell. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic, and we see that time after time the disappointment on a buyer's face, or maybe a first-time buyer where the bond is not approved. So today we're welcoming Gerrie again, General Manager of Cape Holdings Home Loans, and he's just going to help us, give us some tips on how to manage your credit score, and how can you assure that you have a good scoring when you do apply for a bond, and the bank will approve your bond. Gerrie, over to you. Welcome.
Thank you very much. So folks, there are a couple of things that's within your means to manage your score. And one of the very first things is to make sure that all your payments are done before month end. And you know what? Oftentimes your statement will say you have until the 7th or until the 10th of next month. When that payment is not made by month end, the Bureau updates, and you are going to be listed as a late payer and in arrears, and that will drop your score. So please make sure your installments are paid on month end by midnight. If you currently have a number of accounts, make sure that each account has got a debit order. Minimum amount due at month end, directly debited from your bank account. That way you don't have to worry about it. There's no concern that it's going to be late or it's going to be in arrears. Thirdly, oftentimes people will get a report from a different facilitator, different company, that says your score is clear, there's no problem on your scoring, and you will qualify for these number of loans available. In my mind, that's a marketing trick. They want you to take the credit. But just remember this, the banks only work with 2 bureaus, and you need to know that your scoring on those 2 bureaus are up to date. The one bureau, which all the banks use, is Experian, and sometimes Standard Bank will do the lucky draw of either Experian or TransUnion. So you need to make sure that on those 2 bureaus, your score is 610, preferably higher, talking about 620, 28. And if that's on par, the chances are pretty good you'll get your home loan. If you're not sure, you're welcome to contact Lance, you're welcome to contact me. We'll have a look at it for you, and we'll share with you the insights to make sure that you present your application in the best possible light for approval.
So Gerrie, I think the lesson or important point to take out from here is that if you are thinking about buying a property and that you're going to need a bond application, do that pre-approval in advance, before the time, so that if there is any hiccups, if I can call it that we can deal with it and we can assist you in sorting that out.
Correct. So if there are problems that we need to address, we're happy to give you some guidelines on how to address those. And we're also happy to look at the timeline so that, if it's a very bad situation, it's going to take you a year. It's going to take you maybe 2 years. If it's just a doctor's account that was paid late or that was in arrears at the moment, we can address that in a much shorter space of time.
Yeah.
But let's address it beforehand and avoid the disappointment.
Great, Gerrie, thank you so much, and we're looking forward to a next time.
Absolutely.